Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can create a message group in your Viber application. So you use your Viber application to call or message your friends and families, and now you want to create a group with your friends or your families, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to create a Viber group in your Viber application. So the first thing you want to do in order to create a group in your Viber application is open your Viber application. Once you open your Viber application, what you can do is you can see a chat icon on the bottom right of your screen. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, you can see an option labeled as new group. So to create a new group in your Viber application, tap on that. Once you tap on that, select the contacts that you want to add. Once you select the contacts that you want to add, click on the next button on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do that, Viber will ask you to name the group. So create a name for your group. Here you will also have the option to add a picture. So to add a picture, what you want to do is tap on the camera icon, then select the gallery or click a picture. So do one of those and choose an image for your Viber group. Then once you are done, tap on the done button on the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you can see that the group has been created successfully. So that was the simple steps to create a group in the Viber application. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.